Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of grab bags that I picked up at CitrusTwist. And I have never shopped at CitrusTwist before. And that's kind of like a tongue twister. It's a little bit of a challenge to say that. But I was putting together my list of different places to shop on Black Friday and all of the different deals that I was finding. I put it out there on my website, which is yespleasepapercrafts.com. And if you click on the shop with me, you'll see the list of all of the places that I found to shop at Black Friday. Now, I did quite a bit of shopping over the weekend, and yeah, I had a lot of fun, but I have not been doing a lot of scrappy shopping over the past probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. Because I am building a house and I'm wanting to put more of my money toward that, and so I haven't been buying as many scrapbooking supplies. But I just decided that I would go ahead and just do some shopping over Black Friday, and I just had so much fun. I spent a lot of money though, too much money. And I'm going to share some of the deals that I got with you guys so that you can maybe know what kind of deals were available for this Black Friday, so when next year comes around, you'll know what stores to shop in. Okay, and I think that's a really good way to do it. Now, this is not available anymore, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because if when Black Friday comes around next year, if you're interested in this company, you can go out and check out whether or not they have the grab bags and maybe pick one up. Okay, so I decided to pick 2 up. They were $25 a piece, and it was an embellishment and alpha grab bag. And on their website listing, they said that if you purchased 2, that they would try to make sure that you didn't get a lot of duplicates. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. And so my total purchase was $50, and it was $8.95 to ship, so $58.95 for the contents of this box that I'm about to share with you guys. Okay, so this is how it came from CitrusTwist, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up so y'all can see. I did peek inside, and I just saw how pretty it was, and then I thought, I need to do a video. Okay, so they gave me this little card, and I think that's really cool that they hand wrote on there, "Hello, Karen," and signed it. Now, I have my own shop, which is the Yes Please button shop, and I sell flare buttons. But I would really love to be able to handwrite notes, but I have problems with my hands, and I've had surgery on my hands, and it's really hard for me to actually write like that. So I have some pre-written notes typed up that I put into my packages. But I think that's really cool that they actually included a handwritten note. And then there's a few little die cuts on the top here. And one of the main reasons why I decided to go ahead and try out their products was because I looked at their website, and they have quite a few ephemera packs that were exclusive to CitrusTwist, and I just really fell in love with those, and so I'm hoping that some of that is going to be included in my grab bag. Okay, so it looks like they put some Happy Shred in here, and then there's 2 grab bags. There's also some sequins, which is fun. Okay, so we have they're packaged separately, so I have 2 grab bags, and then it just looks like a whole lot of happy in here. I just love buying grab bags because I just think it's a lot of fun to just see what you get, and especially when it's a company that I have never purchased from before. And right off the bat, it looks like the top here has some embellishments from Maggie Holmes, which is super awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this one here. And there's sequins everywhere. Sorry about the noise. It's very crinkly there. Okay, so the first item that we got here is from the Marigold collection. It is some embossed, it's got embossed and vellum pieces, and it's got the gold foiling. And that is so pretty, and I do not have this, so that's super exciting. I love that. That is just gorgeous. So just the first item, I'm super excited. Okay, so then we have some CitrusTwist leather, what does it say? It says leather puffy stickers. And these have all different little sayings on them. And those are really cool and super neat. I like that a lot. So those are puppy stickers and they look like leather. That's really cool. Okay, next up is another CitrusTwist epoxy stickers. And look at the colors. Those are gorgeous. And they have this one that says, "Let's eat." That's really, really cute. Those are neat. I'm excited. I can't wait to create some scrapbooks or scrapbook layouts using these kits. And one of the other reasons why I decided to go ahead and just splurge and do some shopping over Black Friday was because I've kind of been a little bit of a scrappy slump, and I think sometimes bringing new items into your craft room can really get you inspired to create. And this is really some pretty embellishment. So this next one is also from CitrusTwist, and this is some chipboard. I just love all of the colors. Okay. And then we have something here from 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗁, and this is really neat. It's book pages, but it's different pieces of ephemera, and it's really cool. I like that a lot. And here is some book pages. That's really neat. I've never purchased anything like this before, so that'll be really cool to incorporate into a layout. Okay, and then the next thing here is also from CitrusTwist. I'm having such a hard time saying that. This is the cardstock stickers, and it's little word stickers. And those are really neat. Okay, here is another chipboard. And this one kind of has a travel theme. I love the colors. It's really, really nice colors. It's really pretty. Here's another chipboard. This one is different, has different sayings on it. Okay, and then we have some cardstock stickers. These are all from CitrusTwist. And then they have the back here. Okay, and then there are some alphas, and these are super cool. I love that they're smaller alphas. These are puffy stickers, and it's in a really cute pink. And then there's another one here. This is kind of like an aqua color puffy sticker. It almost looks like it has some kind of, it does have a pattern on there. That's really cool. And then this last one is a foam alphabet sticker. Okay, so I'm super happy with this embellishment and alpha grab bag. I would have to say the one thing is I was really hoping to have an ephemera pack from CitrusTwist in here, which was not included, but maybe I'll have one in this other one. And if not, maybe it might be something that I look for in the future when I place an order with them. I can just go ahead and pick one of those out and pick it up. And okay, so that was the first embellishment grab bag, and here is the second one. So after seeing that, I'm really excited. I really think that this is a good value for $25. I definitely think that all of these embellishments are ones that I would definitely use for scrapbooking. Okay, so here are some leather puffy stickers, and this is in a really pretty aqua color. And those are really neat. These look like they're travel themed. Okay, next up is some chipboard embellishments. And these also have little words on them. I don't know what company this is from. It just, oh, P13. This is a P13 embellishment, which I've never gotten anything from P13. I think I might have a few sheets of paper from P13, but that's pretty much it. Okay, and then we have some chipboard stickers from CitrusTwist. I love these little stars. Those are super cute. Okay, oh, more stars. Look how cute those are in all different colors. Also some more chipboard. Okay, here is some more chipboard. That's really cool. They have a lot of chipboard pieces in these grab bags. Because I love dimension and adding different pieces of chipboard and dimensional items to my layouts. So I think these are super cool. Look at this one. Oh, it says, I was wondering what that was. It's like Z, like you're sleeping. That's super cute. Okay, and then here's another chipboard. Okay, and then there is an embellishment pack, but it's not from CitrusTwist, but this is from Maggie Holmes, the Heritage Collection, which I think is really cool. I don't have this either. So that was awesome that the items that were from other companies like Maggie Holmes and P13, I didn't have any of these, so nothing is duplicates that I had already. One of the reasons why I decided to buy these grab bags was because I thought that it would be mostly CitrusTwist items. I didn't realize that they would have items from other companies in here, but that's really cool because I love Maggie Holmes, and look how gorgeous these embellishments are. Really pretty. Okay, and then we have some alphas, and I love this yellow alpha. This is a foam alpha. Look at that color. That's gorgeous. And it's double-sided. Okay, and then here is a puppy sticker in gold, and those are super pretty. And then this last one is Ashley from 𝗵𝗽𝗄𝗃 Studio. This is the Let's Stay Home. I think, Ashley, I do have this. I do. I have these puffy stickers. So that's the only item that I received out of these 2 grab bags that I already had. So that's super awesome. But these are cute. I can definitely see using more of these. Okay, so that was my haul from CitrusTwist. And I would have to say that I love the grab bags that I got. I do wish it would have had at least one embellishment pack from CitrusTwist, just so I could get an idea of what their ephemera packs were like. But I probably should have just ordered one of those on the website when I ordered these grab bags, just to make sure I would have got one of those in my order. So next time I'll know that if I want to get the ephemera, I probably should just order that separately. But I think what I got is really, really awesome, and I think it was a really awesome deal. So if y'all are looking for grab bags next year, definitely check out CitrusTwist. And yeah, this is my first time ordering from them, and I'm super excited with the purchase. I wanted to say too that you don't always know that a company is going to have a grab bag, because 𝗵𝗽𝗄𝗃 Studio has had grab bags for the last few years, and I picked grab bags up last year and the year before from 𝗵𝗽𝗄𝗃 Studio, and this year I did not see one from 𝗵𝗽𝗄𝗃 Studio. So you never know if they'll have one or not. But I think definitely CitrusTwist would be a good one to look for next year on Black Friday, and possibly get onto their website and sign up for their newsletter, because if they have grab bags at other times throughout the year, you might get an email notifying you that they're having a sale. Okay, so I do have some more crafty haul videos coming up. I also picked up some grab bags from Felicity Jane, which is another company I have never purchased from before. And I did place an order at scrapbook.com, also 𝗀𝗂𝗃 Studio, and a couple other places. So I did quite a bit of damage over the Black Friday weekend, but I sure had a lot of fun. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what I got in my grab bags from CitrusTwist, and that's all I have for this video. I do have a short video clip of my dog Bella that I'm going to put at the end of this video, so if y'all want to see that, stick around to the end. But that's all I have. So y'all take care. Hope y'all have an awesome day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye now. Why does Mama camera keeps quitting? Miss Bella, did you get to go get your hair cut all by yourself? You look so pretty. Are you happy now? You got to go? You look happy. So she's got a gold bow in her hair, and she's got a bandana that has like gold leaves on it. It's so pretty. You look like a princess. Where are you going? Miss Bella, are you enjoying the weather? Is it nice outside? It's nice and sunny, and it's breezy. Yeah? All right, you ready to go? Let's go. We're gonna go home. Let's go. So every time I put the camera up, you'd like get fur away. So are you happy now? Miss Bella, did you go get your hair cut? You got to go to the groomers without Lily Bell? You look adorable. You look adorable. You do. Uh-huh.